Okay, it's going to be special. Okay, because today we are going for a road trip. So where are we going? Okay, we will be going to Kuala Lumpur. First place we are at in KL, okay, is Jalan Alor Street Night Market. This is one of the more popular night markets over here, if not I think the most popular one. Okay, and there is a lot of food and we are hungry. Okay, so let's go and have some good food. Today is the start of day 2. Okay, and we're going to show you more places to go in KL. So let's go, everyone! Second location of the day, okay, we are at Batu Caves. Okay, this is a historical site, okay, and I can tell you the statue and the monuments and all this are amazing, and we are going to climb up.
Amazing, but that's, you know, not really fun for a kid, I guess. Fun for kids to do, I think.
Location, okay, we are at Heli Lounge. Okay, it is a lounge which is at the 34th story, okay, of Marana KH building. Okay, and what this offers, okay, is amazing view of the whole KL city line. Right, so guys, enjoy. so day 3 of our trip, okay, and today we are reporting from Gente. Day 4 and check out where we are right now. The place we are at is called the Tea Plantation. Okay, they actually have the tea plantation and there is a cafe there which is beautiful. Let me tell you, it's really beautiful. Okay, it's just a nice place for you to, you know, chill out, have some tea, and they serve some cakes, and the cakes are quite good in fact. Okay, so we'll show you more of the plantation.